Hello and welcome to the first video in our tutorial series on how to use Regenfi Tech products. In this series, I will guide you to each step to make sure you are getting the most out of our platform. Today, we'll be starting with the very first step, how to sign up for an account. Let's dive in. First, go to our website and click on Try It Now button. And this will take you to the sign up page of our application to create your account. You will be asked to fill in your details. Enter your full name and your email address. Make sure you enter a valid email address because all the communications related to login will be sent on it. Select the country code. Enter your phone number. Enter your password. Confirm your password. Once you have filled in all the information, click on Agree to Terms and Conditions and then click on Get Started button. Next, you will receive a one-time password in your email box. Head over to your email, check for the OTP and enter it into the verification box. This step ensures that your email is valid and secure. Once the OTP is successfully verified, you will be automatically redirected to the login page. Now, you are all set to log in and start exploring our platform. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll cover how to log in and we'll explore the Pulse app. Thanks for watching.